Yeah.
Sir, what would you like to say about Pakistan?
वो तो ये होगा कि अभी you are facing this music and शायद it is beyond your you're not able to tolerate it, you are not able to accept it. So the grace is not coming out
Yeah,
from the party and from the leader.
only noises.
Noises are coming out, na? Negative things are coming
Yeah.
out. The worst misuse of the social media.
Yes.
वो भी यही हो रहा है ना?
True.
And what happened in Bradford very recently.
True.
मतलब you have taken the level of people's जो mental faculty है that they don't mind मतलब in maligning
Openly, and especially when
openly
people are
in
with.
front of the world पूरी
Yes.
दुनिया में.
True that.
The army that has recently won you one of the precious wars.
Banyanum Marsus.
Marka-e-Haq, Banyanul Marsus, you have given you delivered you the Marka-e-Haq.
True.
उसके बावजूद भी अगर मतलब despite
It's
that
shameful then.
shameful
True.
is cutting such a sorry figure for the whole nation.
True.
Yeah, this is what have you ever heard ये बहुत सारी दुनिया के this has been happening in so many places of the world, countries of the world, लेकिन इस तरह की चीज़ें तो नहीं आती है.
True that.
Even MQM, the top leader of the MQM would say such things.
Yeah.
वो रॉ को भी बुलाते थे और ये करते थे.
हाँ.
And we would feel very embarrassed कि भाई
Yeah.
what is doing, and then we will have to face the music here.
And I guess today his party members are feeling the same embarrassment.
Yes, they are facing the same embarrassment.
Correctly put. You know, you've given a very
But when
nice.
you cannot defend,
हाँ.
मतलब एक whatever words have come out
हाँ.
in any state of mind, तो आपने लोगों you have actually deteriorated the process of जो लोगों की जो सोच का process है ना,
True.
you have mutilated that ना.
I must commend you for saying this, because very people actually dare to accept, and the way you have drawn a contrast, you know, it is amazing. So what
but-
would you like to say about
That does not mean I am advocating कि establishment का role होना चाहिए. I am saying a regular interaction and a dialogue at the national
It
level
is required.
because no one party is in a position to address the issues, the problems that the people of Pakistan are facing.
Absolutely.
So a national agenda is required, and through a national reconciliation and a national consensus, you
True.
need a national charter of democracy, social and economic development, a charter of economy.
Absolutely.
This is what is needed. And if you do that, then alongside that you do that, where does Karachi fall into that national agenda? Karachi is a stepmotherly treated city by the 18th Amendment winner, feudal lords of the province of Sindh, unfortunately.
Well said.
Even worse than the stepmother treatment. Fake domiciles,
Yeah.
MD CAT exams, census, the population is suppressed. So Karachi, youth of Karachi are facing a similar set of problems which the ordinary people of Pakistan are. But they have a peculiar set of problem in the name of urban and rural divide.
Yeah.
There is already an administrative divide in Sindh since Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's martyred time, his time. That division exists.
True.
But and there is a quota system which has actually ruined the careers of hundreds and thousands of youth from the urban parts of Pakistan, Karachi, Hyderabad and Chakkar. Their domicile is a different domicile. वो कहते हैं ना कि भाई and this is where now people have begun to say, and I would say in my public speeches that this discrimination, double standards, this injustice
True.
cannot go on and on. This has to end somewhere.
So you
and
say-
we are a moderate political party. We can do a balance between the reaction that we can put a lid on it.
Right.
But for how long we'll be able to put that? We will become irrelevant if we continue to play, because then people will begin to fall a prey to very regional, ethnic,
Yeah, the
extreme
smaller-
politics.
True, true.
And we have come out of that over a period of time. We started from there. Bushra Zaidi's accident was taken as something between Pashto speaking transporters in Karachi, and the common Urdu speaking citizens, Muhajirs, whose forefathers had migrated from the Muslim minority provinces of India, and they were mostly able to settle in Karachi and Hyderabad and Sakkar.
Yeah.
So it was that perception and some reality behind that. And then the policies of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto made it very clear, yes, they are two distinct, ethnically different, socially different, culturally different, economically different, and politically different. There was no MKM, but the people of urban Sindh were treated stepmotherly, they were discriminated at, they were not, ends of justice were not met. So this actually injustice, discrimination led to the creation of this regional and so-called ethnic phenomena to begin with. Otherwise, they were educated people, middle class people. They never believed in any ideology besides Pakistan. हम तो पाकिस्तान लाए थे ना वहाँ से. We had brought our Pakistan from there.
True that. And you do support Pakistan, Hamesha Zindabad. That's our agenda.
That always had been.
Had been and will be.
And the regional aspirations, because of this long-standing injustice, was assumed to be, as God forbid, there was separatist design.
They were never there.
They may have been at the very top level, agar the bhi to.
Right.
But it was not easy for anybody to make it acceptable in the community whose forefathers were the front runners
for
the creation of Pakistan.
Absolutely.
The trains were looted.
Yes.
Their women folk, my sisters and my daughters were treated, molested, and all kinds of third-degree tortures by the Sikhs and Hindu extremists when this migration was taking place. When the Muslims who were behind the Aligarh movement and this All India Muslim League. So this is a history.
True.
And 2 million people were killed.
Yes.
So the sacrifices were given for Pakistan.
So how can such people ever
Yes, how can you expect them to turn against? But
Never.
then you don't have to give room for policies which are so discriminatory that make any community alienated.
True.
Alienated from the state, alienated from the constitution, if they think that this constitution is not protecting their basic rights. And they don't want to go to any external factor. They don't want to knock at that door. But then we should be very concerned, cautious and careful enough to not let any community to cross that line.
So do you think the actual application
So
and
इसीलिए
adoption?
I give an example, I'm sorry, कि this double standard, this unjust and discriminatory policies, that they cannot continue for a longer period. And this is why they debate for this very
148.
autonomous local governments is picking up.
Right.
Is making a place in the hearts of the people. And the PML and provincial government of Punjab, provincial assembly of Punjab has passed a resolution to this effect in our support, in support of our constitutional amendment bill, that give this autonomy. Why the fate of the cities and districts of Pakistan should remain with the wishes and whims of the provincial bosses, whether Punjab, Balochistan, KPK, to the extent that they have to address their local issues. They should have the power, authority and resources to do that.
Absolutely.
It should be National Finance Commission distributes share between the center and the provinces. But unfortunately, the provinces are not willing to give the inherent shares of the districts and the cities from whatever they get from the center. So this is the dilemma. If the local governments in the constitution are protected, this MKM bill is passed, inshallah, in the next 28th amendment that we have again been promised by Shehbaz Sharif Prime Minister and the federal government. And we are hopeful also, because this is, the momentum is picking up in support of
so
lot of
you see
people.
positive 2026?
Inshallah.
More success?
Yes, it will be a great achievement and I can bet on it. This is the only hitch. हाथी निकल गया है, दुम रह गई है. क्योंकि देखें ना, ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स है ना, लोगों को they are capable enough, they are competent enough, they are educated enough, and they are politically very sound also, and they can look after their own day-to-day affairs, and they can improve their routine, their quality of life, their standard of life, their schools through parent teacher and जो interaction है, and give mayor, the town chairman and the UC chairman to run those schools.
So recently an incident
And how can one chief minister in a province of Punjab or in province of Sindh or one minister for education be held accountable after 5 years of his term for 400,000 schools in Punjab run by the provincial
That's a
government
huge figure.
and 200,000 schools run by the chief minister or the provincial government of Sindh? वो कैसे जवाब दे सकता है?
So do you think the recent incident that took place of the child who 3-year-old who fell into a manhole,
Yeah.
and the mayor took absolutely no responsibility and he distanced himself?
Faria, this is only just the tip of the iceberg that you are seeing, na? This is just one case that came to the fore.
Just got highlighted. But
yes.
actually things are way more worse.
Way worse beyond and behind this. Way
Right.
worse. And that's why I say, look, Tada Kutta Tommy or Sada Kutta Kutta, this is not going to enable Pakistan to perform and keep what honor this green passport has finally got from the whole of the world. एंडोर्समेंट हो गई है ना, हमारी मिलिट्री कैपेबिलिटी जो है वो साबित हो गई, हमारी
मिलिट्री डिप्लोमेसी
साबित हो गई. तो इफ दिस हैज हैपेंड नाउ, डू यू वांट टू गो बियॉन्ड एंड अबव दिस, या हम इसको भी दिस इज वेरी सो दिस कैन नॉट कंटिन्यू कि ताड़ा कुत्ता टॉमी और साड़ा कुत्ता कुत्ता. इफ गॉड फॉरबिड दिस कंटिन्यूज, देन अ डे में कम जब मेरे कुत्ते का मीटर घूमेगा. And my kutta cannot become a Tommy, but it has a tendency to become a bulldog.
True.
तो बेटा फिर ना तुम्हारी खैर है ना तुम्हारे टॉमी की खैर होगी. God forbid if this happens, and nobody wants that stage to come.
Of course not.
So prevention is better than cure. This is time to ponder, to think, and to revisit our policies of the past of allegation, counter allegation. We have to move beyond that. We have to, there are so many areas where we have to compulsorily, the time has compelled us to work together to save the honor and prestige and dignity that Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Field Marshal Asim Munir Saab has brought on 10th of May.
Yes.
हम तो we were just claiming के we have downed 5 Indian aircrafts. Donald Trump has gone even beyond that, and
He
he's
said
saying
8.
हमने 8 planes we have done.
So what are your views about General Syed Asim Munir?
मतलब I must comment and salute his nerves. He is a strong nerve person.
He is.
Look, nobody before 10th May was expecting that he can do this. अब ये देखें. So मतलब I look beyond that. It is not only because वो तो उनकी military training है ना, that defense क्या करना चाहिए, कहाँ retreat करना है, कहाँ we have to wait and see that what are the weaknesses of our enemy while they are on and they are attacking us. So we waited for 6th May, we let go 6th May, 7th May we let go 7th May, 8th May, 9th May, and people of Pakistan were losing hope, some sort of. कि they are वो अपने वो भी भेज रहे हैं, कौन से वो प्लेन थे वो जो ये जो प्लेन होता है ना छोटे वाले ड्रोन्स भेज रहे हैं. they were doing all kind of things. है ना.
And we were like reaction क्यों नहीं हो रहा. या फिर ऐसा रिएक्शन हुआ.
जनरल अहमद शरीफ साहब चौधरी साहब would say just wait for our response. And that response finally came.
True.
And we all were very मतलब सही मानों में जो कहते हैं ना बनियानुल मरसूस ने डिलीवर्ड अ कॉम ऑफ मरसूस, मतलब एक सीसा पिलाई हुई कौम जो है वो बाहर आ गई.
Yeah. So you as an individual stand with the army and your party too holds it in extreme respect. What was the social media doing before that?
All the direction of all the barrels were against establishment, against our army.
Yeah.
and General Asif Munir. And he was facing that
With
criticism.
so much of courage and
but
grace.
not losing his conviction,
Absolutely.
confidence, his capability and I even am ready to go to the extent that India had this courage to go for this Pahalgam retaliation, limited surgical strikes, because this PTI propaganda all over the world,
Yes.
even overseas Pakistanis were carried away. And a lot of youth in Pakistan were also carried away. There was a sympathy wave.
True.
So they said, yes, ये सही है, वो गलत है. उसके बावजूद भी खड़े रहना. Heads up, salute. General Asif Munir. I'm not unnecessary. मैंने किसी और जनरल के लिए
नहीं, he's
we
the only
worked with
person
मुशर्रफ
you-
साहब also. लेकिन मैंने कभी ये नहीं कहा कि वो इतने स्ट्रांग नर्व थे. लेकिन जनरल आसिफ मुनीर ने साबित किया कि वहां से he came out from that quagmire
Yes.
where he was trying to be pushed that इंसान अगर अपने आसाब पर ले ले,
Yeah.
if he takes such propaganda, negative propaganda,
It's tough to bear things,
very
you know.
so that's why I would say that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And
Yeah.
he proved that.
Absolutely.
He showed his mettle and worth, and his team also. And then all other sectors of armed forces stood on his side.
True.
So देखिए जो चीज ये कहने की वो तो माने ना आप.
The credit should be given.
Given.
Whatever
Why not?
somebody deserves,
Yeah,
it should be given.
Given. And then it was not only that. The seeds it was for a long time debated that हमारी democracy has one problem of some irritation comes between civilian dispensation and the military. So civil military relations have to be addressed.
True.
The first seed of that was sown by the PTI founder when he was the Prime Minister. And what did he say? On 6 times I've heard him saying that we and establishment are on one page.
Yeah.
Wait, why would you say that?
Exactly.
Huh?
Huh.
So,
Emmy.
but why would you say that?
True that.
Just to give a message to the opposition that as long as the establishment is on my side, you cannot destabilize me or remove me. And I'm here for 10 years. And that complacency, euphoria.
Yeah. It
And-
was more of a delusion, I think.
Delusion.
He
It was
just
a
living the
delusion. That became a cursor for a catalyst for his downfall.
Absolutely. So I have so many questions and I couldn't ask because we're short on time. But
I would like to recite one verse.
For sure,
What
sir.
I was saying that when people came from India, migrated,
Yes, sir.
and we brought our Pakistan with us, ideological Pakistan. We had a geography then. People in Pakistan were living all along, even for centuries.
Yeah.
तो हम तो 47 उसके बाद है. We came after that. So what I have to say that अपनी तो पहचान यही थी. इस पहचान से पहले भी अगर हमने एमकेएम बनाई भी अपनी तो पहचान यही थी. इस पहचान से पहले भी पाकिस्तान का शहरी था. पाकिस्तान से पहले भी.
come on.
So I was a
That's cool.
Pakistani even before Pakistan came into existence.
Absolutely.
My forefathers.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir, for
This
your time.
military success then converted into military diplomacy along with our foreign policy, and now we see the Prime Minister and the Field Marshal in the capitals of the world,
Yes.
and the doors of world have opened. They are embracing us, and we are not ready even to open the window because of our internal
True that.
unnecessary things. I think we must reconcile with this reality. This is a lifetime opportunity. The relations with USA, I think, is their all-time,
Yeah.
all
We've never seen
all-time
such a
best
peak.
relations.
True
So
that.
we have to capitalize upon that.
Absolutely.
Our minds are just waiting for us. The future of our minds recording.
True.
Some small dams are about to, in a year's time. Third coal, more exploitation of it, and so ample opportunity, and yet we are acting as ungrateful.
True that. Thank you so much for your
You're
time,
welcome.
sir.
More administrative units are also important.
Absolutely.
That debate is becoming a national debate.
Right.
And creation of more provinces and more administrative units in the existing provinces would not mean division of a geography.
Yeah.
It is only a distribution or redistribution of work, authority, responsibility and resources.
Absolutely.
So the conventional parties, People's Party, and their top-notch, top bosses should see it in that perspective, that you're making your things easy. You cannot run 200,000 schools in 5 years.
True.
You cannot be hold answerable for that.
This is
So
in the best interest of Pakistan.
Pakistan and
Perfect.
people of Pakistan. Thank you so much.
Sir.